How to favorite a game in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can favorite a game on Roblox. It's a quick and easy process, so now let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your Roblox account using the desktop app and the Roblox player or the mobile app. The steps are same on all the platforms. Now once you find the game that you like and you want to favorite, click on its name. And if you played this recently, it is likely under the Continue tab. So once you're on the game's detail page, look for the star icon under the play button that is indicating favorite. And if you simply drag your cursor over it, it will show you add to favorites option. Simply tap on it. And there you can see the indication. I have added this game to my favorites. And you can also follow the game and leave a like using the icons to the right. And on mobile or Roblox player, you can also click on the game's title and then tap on the three dots and select favorite. Alternatively, hover over a game's preview in any discovery tab, and there you will see the option of star. Simply tap on it and you'll be done. So I hope this helped you learn how to favorite your games on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.